Oh no! Germs all over. Uh-oh, a sneeze is coming. Uh-oh, germs all over. Sneezing into the air spreads germs everywhere. Oh no, everyone is caught by germs. That's not safe for others. Instead, cover your mouth with your elbow. This keeps germs from spreading. You can also use a tissue. Throw it away. And wash your hands. Good habits keep everyone safe and healthy. Let's take care of each other.